Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Testing Hacks. Today I'm back with another video, and in this video let's talk about interesting topic which is AI. So, lot of people are talking about AI tools, AI technology, and everything is about AI nowadays. From creating content to developing things, everything is evolved into an AI. So, today I am going to talk about generative AI. So, here I am going to talk about what is this generative AI and what exactly it does and how is the future of this generative AI. All this we will talk in this video. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Without any delay, let's get started.
So first, let's understand what exactly is this generative AI. So generative AI is actually a type of artificial intelligence can create content such as text, image, music, videos, even the code. So in the traditional model, it analyzes the data and makes predictions, correct? So in the generative AI, it is quite different. It learns from the existing patterns and generates completely a new output. So basically, it is powered by the deep learning and it transforms the command that you have given into something which human creativity, it is kind of level of human creativity. Okay. So also we will understand, we know that ChatGPT is also one of the best example of generative AI. So there are a lot of different tools in the market, correct? So with which you can use, but among them, ChatGPT is quite popular. But how is this helpful is where this ChatGPT is also based on or built on this generative AI, and it is one of the most advanced conversational AI model. And also it helps in the multiple ways. For example, if you want to create a content, so that is where it comes into picture, and it can help you in generating the articles, blogs, and marketing copies as well. And coming to the code assistance, it helps in a developer for coding or debugging, or also it provides the explanations. And coming to customer support, suppose you want a voicemail or something like that. Okay, at that time also customer support also they can use this automatic responses, and which can actually help us to save the time and then the money. Correct. And lot of fields this tools like ChatGPT can be used even in automation testing for test case creation or test writing the test scripts, or even the if you have any questions or queries, you can just provide it and it will help you out in resolving the issue as well. So it uses the natural processing language NLP. Okay, so ChatGPT understands and responds in a human like manner. Okay, any of the AI tool for that matter, so it responds in a way where it is interacting with us. So when you actually start interacting with these tools, first you provide certain information, and after that you want to ask something, so it will remember the previous conversation as well. So based on that it will suggest you even more revised version of what you want. So but let's understand how actually this generative AI works. So generative AI is having three things first. First is training on large data set. First, it needs to be trained. This model is trained on massive amounts of text, images, and also code to learn the pattern and context and then structures. Everything is already been trained here. Next is it will understand the user prompts. Suppose you enter something, it first has to understand what you are asking. So when you give a query, it analyzes the context and then it predicts the most relevant response. Okay, so that is the second thing. And then the third thing is after analyzing all that, it generate you an output using the deep learning technique like transformers. It generates a human like response based on the data it has learnt from. So for example, when you ask ChatGPT a question, first the model processes it, it understands the intent, and then it generates the meaningful and structured response in the real time. So that is how the three steps that it actually proceeds. First, it should be trained with certain amount of data, and then based on its understanding, it will search in all the data that it has, data set that it has, and then it responds the appropriate answer. It tries to most accurate answer. It tries to provide you. And let's talk about how is the future of this generative AI then. So the future of generative AI, you know that it is already revolutionizing, correct? So we can use it for automation generation, code generation, correct? So developers or even testers, they can automate or they can perform coding using this AI tools with the help of the AI tools, such as like Copilot. It helps the developer in writing the code faster, correct? And we also have something called self-healing code. Okay, so it can the AI actually can identify the bugs which are present in the system and go and then fix that issue in the real time. For example, if you implement this AI, sorry, self-healing code into our automation, suppose you do not have to write the XPath. Okay, so it will find the XPath and then it will perform its actions. Okay, and AI driven testing. Smart automation framework will actually generate the test cases and then detect bugs and improve the software quality with minimal human intervention. Okay. And next, also we can use this AI for this DevOps and then CI/CD as well. So it will also help us to predict the failures and optimize the pipelines. So in all the things, it can be helpful. And finally, in the security as well, in lot of the fields, AI can be used, even in the field of agriculture to anything, can be used in the multiple wide range of domains as well. So even coming to the security as well, this can be used to prevent the cyber threats. Okay. So with the advancement in generative AI, software development, it is growing quicker, faster, and then more efficiently, and with a lot of highly automation. So the future is looking so bright. So learning generative AI will give you a lot more opportunity in the future. So if you have not started learning the AI and then the tools, start interacting with the AI tool and understand the things properly. So that will help you in future for sure. So hope you learned what is the generative AI and how you can use the chat GPT and based on what this generative AI works. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.